Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this camera to mobile phone and transfer videos and photos. First, in this mobile phone, let me open Google Play Store. Then install this app, Canon Camera Connect. I already installed it. Let me open it. Then tap on agree. Then again tap on agree. Tap on skip. Tap on let get started. Then in this mobile phone we have to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Let me enable Bluetooth. Okay, done. Then enable Wi-Fi. Okay, done. Then on this camera, press this menu button. Select fourth tab, connectivity tab. Then select option 1. Under option 1, we have to select the first option, connect to smartphone. Select add a device to connect to. Select OK. We can press this set button. Then again press this set button. Now here we can see camera name. Then in this app we have to tap on this plus icon, register new camera. Tap on this plus symbol. Then select camera model. I am using R50. Tap on R50. Select Bluetooth. Tap on next. Tap on allow. Now here we can see the camera name, the same name. Tap on camera name. Now it's connecting, trying to pair. Tap on pair. Now on this camera we have to press this set button and confirm the connection request. Please wait. Okay, connected. Tap on OK. Now on this app, Canon Camera Connect app, we can see two options, import images and shoot. Using this shoot option we can control this camera. We can capture photos and record videos. And using this import images option we can transfer videos and photos from this camera to mobile phone. Let me try that. Tap on import images. We can see it's trying to make a Wi-Fi connection with camera. It will automatically create a Wi-Fi hotspot. Then we have to connect to that Wi-Fi hotspot. See, now here we can see the Wi-Fi hotspot which camera has created. We have to tap on this hotspot name. Then it will automatically connect to that hotspot. We don't need to enter any password. See, done. So after that, here we are seeing photos and videos from this camera. So let me open one image. Tap on image. See, if you want to download this image to mobile phone, we have to tap on this import button. If you want to download in original size, just unselect compress and reduce, then tap on OK. Now it's downloading photo from camera to mobile phone. Okay, done. Then go back. Let me open one video. So I am going to download this video from camera to mobile phone. Tap on import. See, now it's downloading that MB4 video from camera to mobile phone. Okay, done. So let me open these downloaded photos and videos. Open any file manager app. Let me open this My Files app. Then tap on device storage or internal storage. Open pictures. Tap on pictures folder. Here we can see the camera name. Tap on this folder. Now we are seeing the photos and videos which we downloaded from this camera. Let me open the image. See, this is the image which I downloaded. Let me open the video which I downloaded, then play it. See, now I am playing the video which I downloaded from this DSLR camera. So this way we can transfer images and videos from camera to phone. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.